Okay, so blockchain. Blockchain, what is the blockchain? Let's see quickly. What exactly is blockchain? Okay, so blockchain is going to play a large role in the near future. It's already starting now and it's just going to be bigger and bigger and bigger. Probably most of the internet will run on the blockchain within the next 5, 10, 15 years. Okay, 20 years max, but probably within the next 10 to 15 years easily. But let's say in the next decade or two, blockchain, the internet will run on the blockchain, most of the internet, if not all of the internet. So blockchain is the future. It will really disrupt the future as well in a good way. And for the technical people out there, the people that are more on the IT side, the technical side of things, and yeah, you guys will probably be interested in the technical side of the blockchain. And so if you don't know much about the blockchain, I would suggest start checking it out. And for the non-technical people out there, how can you utilize the blockchain or leverage it in your favor? If you are creative, a designer or creative, there's so much opportunity for you in the blockchain now and in the future. Okay, so much opportunity where you can apply your creativity, your design, and all those skills to blockchain-based projects and blockchain-based projects. Okay. Now, so there's a lot of opportunity for both non-technical people and technical people on the blockchain side. Okay. So, as you can see, you can read this yourself. Bitcoin runs on blockchain, a blockchain. Bitcoin has its own blockchain, and without blockchain, Bitcoin won't exist. Okay, so blockchain is the platform that Bitcoin runs on, exists on. Okay, just like this Chrome browser of mine runs off my Windows operating system. Okay, so you can more or less think of blockchain as an operating system. It's not really, but like a decentralized operating system, blockchain. Okay, and then you can have decentralized applications that run off the decentralized operating system. Okay, which is blockchain. So Bitcoin has its own blockchain. Ethereum is another cryptocurrency. Bitcoin is a cryptocurrency. Ethereum is another cryptocurrency. And Ethereum runs off its own blockchain, which I think is also called the Ethereum blockchain. I don't know what the Bitcoin blockchain is called, but anyway, so Ethereum is an open source public blockchain-based distributed computing platform and operating system featuring smart contract functionality. Okay, so that's the blockchain. Okay, and then you have the Ethereum cryptocurrency, which is denoted by this image. Okay, or let me correct myself. Ether is the token. This is an Ether. Okay, it's the Ethereum cryptocurrency is Ether. But on the exchanges it's called Ethereum, I think. Okay, so cryptocurrency. What is a cryptocurrency for those that don't know? Okay, it's a digital asset designed to work as a medium of exchange that uses strong cryptography to secure financial transactions and control the creation of additional units and verify the transfer of assets. I just want to see a cryptocurrency or cryptocurrency is a digital asset designed. Okay, cryptography. Okay, that's pretty correct. That's mostly correct. Okay. Is an internet-based medium of exchange which uses cryptographical functions to conduct financial transactions. Okay. So theoretically you can get a cryptocurrency that's centralized, like Libra from Facebook. Okay. Yeah, if Libra is a cryptocurrency, I don't know if it's just a normal digital currency and not crypto, because the crypto part means cryptography. Okay, you can Google cryptography yourself. Now the decentralized part, if a currency or a digital currency or a cryptocurrency runs on a blockchain, it's decentralized. Okay, now usually whatever cryptocurrency, if you want to run a currency on, if you want to create a currency, digital currency on a blockchain, it is pretty much always a cryptocurrency. Maybe it's a necessity that it needs to be a cryptocurrency to be able to run on a blockchain. I'm not too sure, but we talk about blockchain and cryptocurrencies together, not about digital currencies and blockchain. We always talk about cryptocurrency and blockchain. Now, when a cryptocurrency is running off a blockchain, it is decentralized, like Bitcoin, like Ethereum's cryptocurrency ETH. Well, there it is, Ethereum. Okay, it's actually, they say ETH, but let's call it Ethereum, like they do, yeah. These are all cryptocurrencies. There's a lot more than that. Okay, there's probably now close to 2,000 cryptocurrencies, just so that you know. Okay, so the fact that blockchain is decentralized and cryptocurrencies run off blockchains mean that cryptocurrencies are decentralized. Okay, whereas the dollar is centralized. It's central banks that control the dollar. Okay, they can dictate if the dollar's value falls or rises. They can print more dollars if they want to out of thin air. Whereas with cryptocurrencies, you can't do that. No one is in control of it. It's decentralized. Okay, so that's blockchain, that's cryptocurrencies. You can do more research yourself. It's just a brief overview of it. So, blockchain skills. So, there's a lot of different blockchains these days. The first one was the one that Bitcoin runs on, and then I think one of the second ones closely after that, which was created in 2015, was the Ethereum blockchain. And my favorite blockchain at the moment is Ethereum. But yeah, anyway, so let's just rather not do that. Okay, so your career in blockchain, for skills you need. Skills needed for a blockchain developer. Now there's a difference between a blockchain developer and a dApp developer. Okay, a blockchain developer is someone that codes the actual blockchain. So when you develop the actual, help develop the actual blockchain, you're a blockchain developer. Okay, a dApp blockchain versus dApp. Let me go there, and this as well. A decentralized application, dApp, is a computer application that runs on a distributed computing system. And what is this? This is what a blockchain is. A distributed computing system is actually what a blockchain is. Okay, so a dApp runs on this. A dApp runs on a blockchain. dApps have been mostly popularized by distributed ledger technologies, DLT, namely the Ethereum blockchain, which is the top one at the moment, where dApps are often referred to as smart contracts. Okay, so you can be a blockchain developer who develops this, or you can be a dApp developer who develops applications that run on top of this, applications that run on top of blockchains. Okay, so For example, for the Bitcoin blockchain, or I think even the Ethereum blockchain, you need C++ or some other is it low-level programming language? Low-level programming language, I think it is, isn't it? Yeah, let's see. Abstraction max learning programming is still considered a high-level language, but with the appearance of newer. Okay. No abstraction. Okay. So yeah, I'm right. So a low-level programming language is a language that doesn't have much or any layers between the system and where you type in the code. Okay. So it's more difficult to learn. High-level programming language is something like Python, which is much more like a language that you can understand, and there's layers between the Python interface and the actual hardware, okay, of the computer. So the high-level language that you're coding in is translated into machine language that the hardware can understand, whereas with C++, the language that you use there to code is much closer to the machine language, okay? So much less translation to do. Anyway, so blockchain coding is usually more lower level languages, whereas dApp coding languages are usually more higher level languages, okay? So usually, like with blockchain developers, it's like C++ and related sort of low level languages, and with dApp developers it's usually higher level like Python and other related high level languages. So like, yeah, let's see quickly. Ethereum is not a dApp. Ethereum is a blockchain. No, Ethereum, is he talking about the cryptocurrency? Yes, then it's a dApp. But the blockchain Ethereum is blockchain, it's not a dApp. The cryptocurrency Ethereum that runs on a blockchain called Ethereum is a dApp, yes. Smart contracts are not dApps in themselves. Smart contracts are what you use to create dApps, okay? So like with Ethereum, let me just check here quick. Okay, I'll try and close off this video soon. Anyway, so Ethereum smart contracts are written in a Solidity language. Okay, so Ethereum allows developers to program their own smart contracts. The Ethereum blockchain, okay, allows developers to program their own smart contracts or autonomous agents, as the Ethereum white paper. Okay, so Ethereum smart contracts are coded in Solidity language. Okay, Solidity is an object-oriented programming language for writing smart contracts in Ethereum. It is used for implementing smart contracts on various blockchain platforms, most notably Ethereum. Okay, for the front end you are using versions of JavaScript packages, what do you call them? What's the word? Okay, for the front end. But for the back end, where you write the actual smart contracts in Ethereum, you use a Solidity language. Okay, there you go. It was influenced by C++, Python and JavaScript, and designed to target the Ethereum virtual machine. So if you're technical and you want to learn some blockchain related skills, I would highly suggest Solidity for Ethereum, where you can start creating decentralized applications by coding smart contracts. Okay, CryptoKitties. CryptoKitties was written purely in Solidity. Okay. CryptoKitties is a blockchain game on Ethereum developed by and it was written in Solidity, and it consists of something like 7 smart contracts or something like that. Let me just code. Let's see quickly. GitHub. Yeah, let's go to GitHub. I'm not sure if this is the one. Crypto copycats. No. Let's go to the CryptoKitties website, and maybe they have their GitHub there. I don't see it. Okay, I don't see it. Okay, but it's somewhere here that you can get to it. Okay, but you can see the actual code that was used for the CryptoKitties dApp. Okay, the 7 or so smart contracts that work together to create the CryptoKitties dApp, pretty much. I think it's open source. Okay, so let me just go through these quickly. Want a career in blockchain? Here are the 4 skills according to this website. Business acumen. Yeah, if you want to start like a startup in blockchain, then definitely. Tech literacy, definitely useful. There's a Solidity programming language. Java for the front end of Solidity based dApps. You use it's JavaScript based. Lots of resources on internet that you can check out. Data analysis, I guess so, yes. Hacker mentality, depends on what you're doing. So especially you have this as well, which is a smart contract auditor. Okay. You make sure that the smart contracts of startups, blockchain startups, are actually how can I say, are actually secure, because once you've published a smart contract on a blockchain, you cannot delete that smart contract. You can only disable it, and it costs more money to have a smart contract that is something wrong with it, that's dysfunctional, or security risks. It can cost the startup a lot more money and even legal action. So startups, blockchain startups, pay a lot of money for consultants to thoroughly go through their smart contract code to make sure that everything is fine. Okay. So that is called a smart contract auditor. Smart contract security auditing is a thorough analysis of a blockchain application's smart contracts in order to correct design issues, errors in the code, or security vulnerabilities, because you cannot unpublish that smart contract, correct it, edit it, and publish it again. You need to forget about it, disable that contract, and publish a new one in its place. But the old contract that is full of errors, it is still on the blockchain, and it will stay on the blockchain forever. Okay, so it costs startups a lot less money and a lot less hassle and legal issues if they, blockchain startups, if they put contracts, smart contracts on blockchain that have been checked thoroughly. Okay, this is completely the opposite of the current accepted way of publishing code in normal applications, non-blockchain based applications, where they can just publish. If there's errors, it's then tested by the users, and if there's errors, then they do fixes and publish it again. You can't do that on blockchain. You can publish the contracts on a test blockchain. Yes, on a test blockchain, let people test it. If there's issues, fix it, publish it on a test again, fix it, and so on. Okay, until you 100% sure the contract is 100%, then you can publish the contract on the main blockchain, not on a test, on a main blockchain. Okay, so there you go. this is a very lucrative field to be in. Okay, so that's that one. The skills needed for a blockchain developer. Let's just go through this quickly. Okay. You don't have to build a new blockchain. So coding languages, C++. If it's to do with blockchain development, then C++. Java, Go as well. Get to know the blockchain and how it works. Cryptography only if you are going to develop blockchains themselves, okay? And cryptocurrencies. Stay relevant, stay up to date, okay? And this one, blockchain versus dApp. So let's see quickly here. So you can go to this website yourself as well, okay? Let's see. As I said, dApp is a decentralized application, whereas a blockchain is the platform, decentralized platform or operating system that the decentralized application runs on. Okay, so let's just see if we can get something out of this quickly. So I don't see anything relevant here. No. Okay, so let's just go back. And yeah, so you can Google more yourself, future of blockchain. Forget Bitcoin, blockchain is the future. Cryptocurrencies of all types make use of distributed ledger technology known as blockchain. In this way, blockchain technology allows the digital currency to maintain a trusted transaction network without relying on its central authority. Why is blockchain the future? Each block is visible to every member of the network, ensuring trust between parties. Because the blockchain has no borders, it allows for secure collaboration between parties sharing any kind of transaction. As a result of these traits, the blockchain has limitless potential in all kinds of applications. Okay, all industries. Top 5 predictions, and that was a year ago. Free markets and a future of blockchain. Okay, Bitcoin is predicting. Okay, cool. So last one before I close off this video. Finish off with this video. By 2030, government crypto. Most governments around the world will create or adopt some form of virtual currency. This is a year ago, this article, okay? Trillion-dollar protocols. By 2030, there will be more trillion-dollar tokens than there will be trillion-dollar companies. Interesting. Blockchain identity for all. By 2030, a cross-border, blockchain-based self-sovereign identity standard will emerge from individuals as well as physical and virtual assets. This is already happening now. Check out Decentraland. Okay. Check out the blockchain called Enyin. Let me just open it for you quickly. Enyin.io. I'll go there just now. I think it's this one. It's this one. Okay. Government records, reputation and trust scores, certificates, healthcare, medical records, tax, employment records. Just a few of the many. World trade on a blockchain. Most of world trade will be conducted leveraging blockchain technology 10 years from now. Blockchain for good. Significant improvements in the world standard of living will be attributable to the development of blockchain technology. Fact. Okay? There's a lot of things that can be done with blockchain that cannot be done without blockchain. So yeah, now this Enyin, build blockchain games, empower your user base with true ownership, prevent fraud, increase your revenue, and explore the blockchain gaming frontier. Our modular platform enables you to explore endless use cases for blockchain technology, integrate blockchain in a matter of hours. Okay, create custom tokens and contracts from scratch, crafted for the gaming industry, video games, esports. There's so much potential here. Enion offers a completely flexible free platform for creating, integrating and scaling tokenized gaming assets. Non-fungible tokens, very important to know about this if you are interested in the blockchain. Okay, you can read that. Fungible tokens are the opposite of non-fungible. And yes, so yeah, gaming design SDKs. Enion is currently the top platform for creating blockchain-based games. Okay, and you can check out some of these games and check out this website. So if you are interested in gaming or blockchain or anything related to blockchain, then I would seriously suggest you check out the Enion Coin platform. Okay, it's a lot of potential. There's even health related research startups that are partnering with the Enion platform so that they can help fund their health startups. This is huge. This is not just for games. This is huge. Okay. Let me just go to About quickly. So it's founded in Singapore. Enion Network. Okay, so those are that. Let's just check here quickly. Okay, mobile apps, website builder, social profiles made for gaming. Build a Minecraft server website. So there's so much potential here for those people interested in gaming. A lot of potential. Okay, so that's the official site, Blockchain Explorer. Yeah. Okay, so blockchain is the future. For both technical and non-technical people, blockchain, you can leverage the blockchain to do a lot of great things and make a lot of money with. Okay, so I'll cover blockchain related stuff again in a future video, but I hope you enjoyed this and learned quite a bit from this. And yeah, see you next time. Thank you.